Welcome, music enthusiasts. Are you facing challenges with iCloud Music Library and need a quick solution? How to turn off iCloud Music Library on iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and find Music. Tap on Music. Toggle off the Sync Library option. Select Turn Off here. You are all set. Now, let's move on to turning off iCloud Music Library, specifically on your Mac. Open the Music app on your Mac. In the menu bar at the top of the screen, click on Music. Select Settings. In the General tab, uncheck the box next to Sync Library or iCloud Music Library, depending on your version of macOS. Hit OK. If you're using a PC and want to turn off iCloud Music Library, the process is slightly different. Open iTunes on your PC. Click on Edit in the menu bar. And select Preferences. Go to the General tab and click on iCloud Music Library to uncheck it. Click on OK to save the changes. You are all set. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.